Hello friends, my name is Dr. Harshil Zaveri from Ahmedabad. I am MDS, Periodontist and Implantologist. Today I will talk about what is Zygomatic implant and are you a candidate of Zygomatic implant? Basically, if we talk about patient wear dentures from long time, or if patients have very less amount of alveolar bone present into the maxilla, and if patient want the fixed teeth, then the conventional implant cannot be possible for the fixed teeth. Then the one option is there to go for zygomatic implants. Zygomatic implants are the long implants which can engage into our zygomatic bone, which is also known as the cheekbone. This bone is very rigid in nature, so these implants can engage well, and very next day the provisional prosthesis can be delivered. So by these zygomatic implants, patient can chew from very next day, and within the 3 month of period, fixed final prosthesis can be delivered. And the next question is, are you a candidate of this zygomatic implant? If you have very less amount of alveolar bone is present in maxillary arch, if your maxillary bone is highly resorbed, and in this type of bone conventional implants are not possible, then you are a candidate of zygomatic implant. You should go with this procedure. I hope by this video you will come to know about the advantage of zygomatic implants. And if you still need to know something about the zygomatic implant, you can contact me anytime. Thank you.